Sugar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U Menteri ke Sorkar Jela ubade bet ya katanat social welfare uba po lingdo. Uloong baka kenhun Menteri kalasyong perkat menta kesngi hapo ka jingelam jong Menteri rangba ke Jela u Konrad ke Sangma. Bat ngilasyem bun kirai ki bakongsan bakin ai jing mentoy ya ke Jela lembat ya kipat ba ke Jela. Habaya keren berkilat pathai kubor menta kasi palay kashpoterik unaitung arhajar apusan. Uba pol ula pentip baka kenhun menteri menta kasngi kalasyem ya karai ban Pynduh sundon ya ka jing ya keren. Ne ka interview ha ka Jingthepkam group D ha baro ka wai ka jela. Uloong baka ne karai ban Pynduh no ya ka interview ha ki kam group D kalong kabaya ha bat ka policy bangilabo ban pintikna ya ka jing shisha bat ka jing rai hok ha ka Jingthepkam shaki kerdan maper na do ka group D. Kania kadairu komshi benta jong ka jing pendep ya ki jing betha na ka Sorkar India lingba ka Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pensions, bat ka Department of Personnel and Training. Laong uba pol. Ula benrap ru da ka baong, baka nongrim jong kania karai kalong babaro ki Jingthepkam Group D, kinsalong klem dadon show ya ka interview. Bat kanie kantre kam nado ka shitarik risau arhajar arpusan kabamut nado ka te katarik balabo ki Nongthepkam kim don kam show ban shong interview ne personal interview. Kania ka jing bam don show ya ka interview kan pentikna ban yarap ru ban penlet jingmut ya ka jing penyat ha ka rukom thepkam bat ban pensyai ban penyat bet ya ka rukom tre kam jong ka Sorkar laong uba pol.
The cabinet has just met under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Konrad K. Sangma, and today we took up a number of very important decisions which will have a long-lasting positive impact on the state and its people. I'm joined by our Commissioner and Secretary Home, who will assist me in briefing on 3 items concerning Home Police Department. But we will begin by announcing to you that the Cabinet today took up the matter of discontinuation of interview for Group D posts across the state. This proposed discontinuation of interview for Group D posts is in conformity with our well-established policy of ensuring maximum transparency in the recruitment process to various posts, beginning with Group D posts. This is also as part of our compliance to instructions of the Government of India in the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India. So, in line with this decision, all appointments for Group D posts will be done without recourse to the process of interview. This will take effect from the 1st of October 2025, meaning it will have a prospective effect, meaning that all such interviews that are scheduled from the 1st of October this year will be minus the need for the candidates to sit for personal interviews. This will also help to speed up our process of appointment and recruitment to various posts and ensure, as I mentioned, transparency and efficiency of the system.